In this quick video, I'll be showing you an overview of OnePlan's My Work module. Now, one of the nice things about OnePlan is you have the ability to use the planning tool of your choice. So if you're a project manager that likes to use Microsoft Project Desktop, Project for the Web, Planner, Azure DevOps, Jira, you can continue to use those tools and then publish those, those tasks and those assignments and backlogs into OnePlan. And here in this example, we are showing how this delivering agile solution is using Azure DevOps to manage their backlog, as well as Project for the Web to manage the schedule and timeline. In this example here, Microsoft Teams integration project is using Microsoft Project Online Desktop, as customer feedback interface is using actually Jira and Microsoft Project Desktop. So as a project manager, you're able to use the best of breed tools, publish that information in, and then a team member can log into OnePlan and they can see all the work that's assigned to them across these different planning tools. And so not only can they see these different tasks that have been assigned to them across these different planning tools, you can also add other work types, for example, like changes and issues. So they can actually see other work types as well within OnePlan. Now, as a team member, I'm looking here in this view here as all the work that's assigned to me. And I can come in and actually change the view and look and feel. So I can come in here and group by different categories. I may want to filter this out, so I only want to look at high priority or critical items in this particular view. I can come in and look at a Gantt chart. So maybe I want to come in and look at, kind of visually of where things need to get done or what things might be behind today's timeline. I also might want to come in and look at my resource load. So here at the bottom, I can see that I'm going to be over allocated the week of February 8th. And I can then come down and see why I'm going to be over allocated, what tasks I've been assigned to. So if I want to communicate to my manager on my over allocation, so I can do that as well. Another nice feature within my work is the ability to create what we call activities. Now, I may be assigned a specific task that requires quite a bit of additional work that needs to get done. And now, obviously, we don't want to build out a really detailed schedule underneath the task itself. So I might want to add some to-dos. So I'm going to click on a task here that's been assigned to me. I'm going to click on my little activities here. And basically, I can start to create a list of activities that I have for this particular item. So I got to review functional specification. So first, I need to I'll just make some stuff up, find the final spec doc. And then what we'll need to do after that, we'll need to read the spec doc. Just, make edits. Send for review. And then sign off. So again, you'll see here, I'm just basically creating a bunch of to-dos that I need to do to get done for this particular task. And so as I start to move through this, I can actually start to manage my own personal to-do or activities here within my work. Now, you also have the ability to assign other people that are on that plan. So if you had team members that were working on this plan and you wanted to assign them to-dos or activities on that My Work, you can actually share and collaborate on those activities. So now you've kind of created a small subset plan for that particular task. And so once everybody's kind of gotten all their stuff complete, you can then come in and mark this particular work item as done. You also can come in and report your time off. So if you're planning to take some vacation, you can come in and report your time off. For example, I'm going to take some vacation here. I'm going to start next week for the entire week. And this will then come into OnePlan for approval, and then essentially will go against your availability. And lastly, you have the ability here to create new work items. So for example, if I had gotten a plan that had been published from Microsoft Project Desktop, I could actually create a new task, and if a project manager approves it, that will be brought into the Microsoft Project Desktop. If you created a new backlog item, that could be sent into Azure DevOps or into Jira, or you might want to just create some upcoming issues or changes as well. And that also can be reviewed and approved in the plans based on the project managers. So as you can see, really the advantage here is to be able to use the best of breed tools that make the most sense for the type of project that you're working on, central all that into one repository or into one plan, and allow team members to come in and see all that work and collaborate with you across those different tool sets.